we have obtuse angle of 140 degree and we have to construct its angle bisector. So this obtuse angle and angle bisector we will construct from right hand side. Okay, so please understand the way of construction. The first step is to draw a line of 8 or 10 centimeter. It's up to you. So here I am taking 10 centimeter, right? So here is point A, here you can see 0, so put a dot. This is point A and this is point B, and from 0 to 10 you have to join them. It is AB. You can give them A and B of 10 centimeter. So write down. After that, it is of 140 degree. So what to do? We have to take protractor and we have to use point A. So here you have to keep it and then you have to hold it tightly and hide this baseline. Now you have to see which scale we have to read. As we are taking this line segment, then we have to use this inner scale from 0. If we are taking from this point B, so it means that this line segment we are reading, so we have to take outer scale 0, 10, 20, so on. So for A, you have to fix it and then hide this baseline, and then you have to see where 140 degree is coming. Have a look, 0, 10, 20, 30, so on, 90, 120, 30, 40. So in front of 140 degree, just put a dot and then remove it. And you have to join it with the help of a ruler or scale. And you have to use sharp tip of your pencil edge. And then you have to join them. Okay, students? Now, the next step. We have to construct its angle bisector. So take a pair of compass. I am using color pencil, but you have to use normal pencil. Okay? I am using because you can see it easily due to dark arcs. We have taken point A, so you have to see at point A, it should be half, so less than half. You have to make arc less than half. You have to hold it, and you can use, if you are lefty, if you are righty, you have to use your that hand, right hand or left hand. So it is again showing you less than half, so make an arc. Due to camera, I am using both hands so that you can see it through by camera. Right, student? You can focus here. So one arc done. Now I am using another hand so that you can see from my camera. I don't want to hide this while construction. Okay, this is done. Now from the previous arcs, keep it here, fix it, and now you have to make another arc. Done. Now with the help of previous arc, you have to, now students, you have to mark a point here. It is AB, so it is C I am giving name, it is D, it is E, and this point of intersection is F. Now student, you have to use your scale, straight line, and join this point F with point A. The help of a straight line, you have to join them. After joining this, students, you have to use protractor once again, and then you have to keep it at dot, hide the baseline, and see where this baseline is hidden. Now exactly you have to check when you are hiding your baseline, it should be exactly, again I am telling you, we have to read from here, from the inner scale, because we are taking this baseline or line segment. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, 70 degree, and have a look, it is also 140 degree. It means that this angle we have now 70 degree and this angle is also 70 degree. So this is the way how to construct an obtuse angle of 140 degree from our right hand side. So this is done.